This 5-minute solution will show you how to tag a Facebook page in a Facebook post. So if you're trying to post something with tagging a page, let's see how you can do it. After writing your caption, tap on here and select @ and now all you have to need, just type here the Facebook page name you want to tag. For example, I'm going to tag CNN. So after @ I write it CNN and selecting the page, and now let's publish this post. And as you can see, I've successfully tagged this Facebook page in my Facebook post. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.